A data science manager or analytics manager is super critical for any business organization to grow and deliver on products. Have you ever wondered how a day looks like for a manager? I will walk you through my journey. It's certainly not opening dashboard or just only email communication. It's far more than that. After all, a data science manager or analytics manager creates systems, develop teams, and makes decisions that shapes the outcome of the department and the business org. Hi, my name is Saif Aman. I'm the host of Data Pulse. I create videos on data and leadership related activities. Today, I'll share how my day looks like. My day is divided into strategic and tactical work. Under strategic work, I look at the product list and understand if there are any products that needs to be prioritized based on the priority level, and perform a lot of product grooming. Additionally, I also keep myself aligned with the business goal or departmental goal set up for our unit. If you're not strategic, then you are going to firefight a lot of problems, which will be the one of the biggest problem for getting burnout. So I am aware and I'm staying out of that vicious loop. Second part is the tactical work. I've divided into two different segments as well. One is understanding data architecture and governance part. The other part is the leadership and execution. Let me walk you through how the data architecture part works. When you are serving a department, certainly there will be many different kind of work. For example, one of the analysts will be working on the models. The other person or other team member could be working on the reports, but all of them are tied to one node, which is creating data pipeline which will serve those models or the reports that you're going to build. I look at it. I look at codes that written by my team, understand the parameters, understand how it is serving upstream and downstream. That keeps me sharp on what to produce and making sure that none of these models are impacted. And after all, if your data is incorrect, those model, or if there are any issues, the model will not be performing well. So stay aware of that. That is very, very important. Second part is keeping all your data health up to the mark, setting up the governance, making sure that all the parties are performing their work and they are serving how they're performing how the rules are written. If your data is incorrect, then expect incorrect result as well. Coming out of tactical work, if I zoom into leadership and execution, I absolutely love one-on-one with my team members as it keeps me sharp, understand if there are any blockers, remove blockers, and keep them going. Certainly, I also have my meetings with my supervisor where we discuss priorities, we discuss the context that I'm not aware of, and making decisions so that I can pass it to my team members and help them completing the task. In addition to these meetings, I also meet with the ops team where we talk about the context that I'm not aware of. If there are any products that is currently going on, understand the context of it, because I believe small sideline meetings are far more important or far more effective than having multiple email back and forth. So I keep it short, meet with them, and understand what might come along our way. After all, I believe a true leader creates next leadership. If you like this kind of contents, please follow my channel as I plan to bring more videos and share my journey with you all. Thank you so much for watching today.